how to mix songs on Spotify. So in this video, I'll show you how to mix two songs together using Spotify. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and load up the Spotify app. You can then click on your profile icon in the top left hand side of the screen and go and press Settings and Privacy. Now select Playback and make sure gapless playback is turned on. Make sure Auto Mix is also turned on. And then you want to adjust the crossfade to around about 5 seconds. Now what this will do is the last 5 seconds of your song will now be blended and merged together with the next song in your playlist. So you can go and start playing one of your songs and it will automatically start mixing it together. Now the second way to do this is you can click on the Home tab in the bottom left hand side. You can then scroll all the way down this page and you should see a section here called Mixes. So basically this is your music that's already pre-mixed together by Spotify. So you can just go through the different playlists here for all of the different genres and you can play an automatically mixed playlist with all of your favorite songs.